Hello, Tim from Osman Studios here. Today I will be doing an unboxing of this box of undead Wraiths from Mantic games. It is for the games called Kings of War, which you can see here. So I'll go ahead and open the box. Let's see, yes, I have one of those. Let's see if I can place the camera somewhere. No? Then I guess I just have to hold it while I tell it. It will be a lot more awkward. But yes. That should do it. It did. Okay, so now we got that open. We got this neat little... Or no, maybe it's an assembly. Yes. It is how to assemble models. Thank you. I didn't know that. And we got these like foam thingies. So here we got the actual models. They come in 2 bags and they have yes, I was wondering where those went. What might this be? Mantic point, oh that's, I think that's good. So we got 10 bases, which is pretty awesome. And then we also got 10 Wraiths, which is, they are actually highly detailed and yes. And I like these ones because I was gonna buy it from GW, but these ones sold for much cheaper, and I liked it because these ones had difference. In Games Workshop, the Wraiths models, they all do look the same. I think they're pretty boring. So these ones are awesome for using like Corn Wraiths or even Banshees. So you get 10 of these, highly modeled. Let's see if I can get this one of them open with only one hand. Hold on, I'm just gonna put the camera down. Okay. So now I open that. Let's take a look at the models, shall we? So, first we have a model which requires no assembly at all. Let's put that in the shadow so we can see, yes. They are finely detailed, I must say. And they will do great in my Vampire Count's army. So yes, I also like that some of them have different weapons, which gives them a little more variation than only the big size. And some of them you can put weapon options on, like for instance this mace here, or even holding a skull in his hand, which is pretty neat. So yeah, these are models. They look absolutely fantastic, and yeah, I must say they are much greater quality than the Games Workshop ones, because the newly Games Workshop range, it's been rather sloppy lately. It's been like large models which has big surface areas without any detail. These ones have like they're just all over detail. I don't even know if that shows up on the video, but yes, they are rather detailed. So I will be using these for my Vampire Count's army, and yeah. So this was the 10 Vampire Wraiths or Undead Wraiths from Mantic games. Hope you like this unboxing. Please like, favorite and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.